Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an outside door garland. I created some peppermints. I DIY'd them recently, and I want to share with you how I'm going to incorporate those on my outdoor door wreath. I made quite many, so I wanted to use up the remainder of the peppermints that I had. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you so much for returning back. I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So let's just hop right into this DIY. All right, y'all. So pretty much you're gonna need your wreath right here. Well, not wreath. I'm sorry. Your garland piece. And pretty much this is a makeup of a Dollar Tree garland with a Walmart style garland. That's pretty much what I did. And as you can see, it's kind of like elongated like that. I have a huge front porch, but around my door frame area in my entranceway, it's not that big. And I'm not going to make mine as large as some people would. And you'll need a few of these. I'll probably end up showing a video eventually on how I actually made these. Well, not this style in particular. This style right here, I saw done on, what's her name? Bargain Bethany did this style. So I made a few of these because I like how they look. But this style right here, I haven't seen anyone do. So I'll probably end up showing you how to do this style right here of this particular candy. I only made one of these. So this was a test and trial. And it came out really good, and I really love it. And you will also need these ornaments right here. These, oh, I'm holding this upside down. These were $3 from Dollar General. And of course, you all know I'm doing the gingerbread. And let me pull this up just a little bit. I'm doing the gingerbread and the candy cane theme this year. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these ornaments, just a few of them, kind of mix all of them up, a little bit of white. I don't really want the silver ones per se, but they came with the set itself. I'm just taking out the red and white snowflake ones. And I'm going to set those over here. So you'll be able to see me working right here. All right, and pretty much what we're going to do is trying to find an area that I would like in particular for my candy pieces to go in. So let me just pause you all for a second so I can fit some. All right, y'all, I am back. I wanted to give you all a better view of what I'm doing, how I had my camera positioned. It was kind of dark to me and you couldn't really see exactly what I'm doing. So now I feel like this view is a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my long pieces of peppermint and I'm going to position them. Before I hot glue anything, I'm going to position everything to make sure this is the area, this is the particular area that I want them to be in. Because, you know, once you hot glue it, that's it. And I think I want one right here. Yeah, I'm going to want one right there. So let me flip this out. Yeah, one right there. And I'm going to also put this one right here. I believe I'm going to put this one in the middle. Yep. Right here in the middle. And you know how us crafters always do, you kind of step back, look to see. Ooh, I got the little green stuff on the floor. To see if it's to our liking. And so far, I like the positioning of all the candies. So I'm gonna start on this end, and I'm gonna glue this candy right here. And as you can see, hold on for a second, everybody. Grab a glue stick. As you can see, I am actually gluing down the piece where I have my actual backside of it is at. And FYI, when you're working with all this greenery, it's very messy. I have little artificial pine needles all on my floor. They're everywhere. All right, so we're gonna go in. We want it here. We're gonna hold and press. Hold and press. Lots of pressure. All right, happy, what is today? Tuesday. Happy Tuesday to everyone. You will not get this actual video into Thursday, so I should rephrase that and say, well, not Thursday, but Saturday. I should rephrase that and say happy Saturday to everyone. Yes, happy Saturday to everyone. I pray everyone is doing well. I am doing great today. It is currently severely cold. This morning when we woke up to get up for school and to get my kids ready for school, it was 20 degrees this morning. There was ice and frost everywhere. Today was definitely a heavy coat and gloves and toboggan day. Let me know how the weather is your way. Okay, we got that set. I may need to add a little bit more hot glue. I'm feeling that right now. More hot glue has been added. All right, that'll work for here. Now we're going to move on to this middle piece. Now remember, this is the area that I wanted it in. Add a lot. We're going to put our backside down. Add a generous amount of hot glue. And just apply your pressure. And that's what I'm doing for now. Ooh. And also drop in the comments below if you would also like to see me do a DIY on the peppermints. So you can see how I did my version of the peppermint. Not the long ones, but the smaller ones. All right, that's good. Now we're going to come down to the end. You're not going to really be able to see me towards the end, but I'm going to do the same thing. Generous amount of hot glue on this piece also. All right. I'm coming down here to get this one in here. Hold it. And then I'm going to take a couple seconds for it to like adhere. Me, I always add extra pressure to it. That's just me. It's just something I do. Okay. So now we're going to add our ornament pieces. So pretty much I'm going to take these off. If I can get them off. That's what I want to do. I want to take these off. Yeah. And we'll just add these amongst the pieces. So I'm going to put one here. I think that's a pretty area to put one. Now I'm going to take a white one off. Add a white one. Probably put this white one here. Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom and add another white one. right up in here. This is going to actually be outside. So you're going to see me, I'm going to use extra amounts of hot glue behind, and it's going to be on my front porch area. So I don't really have to worry about the rain or anything like that, but I'm still going to put like quite much hot glue on each piece. Can't see me down here. But I'm pretty much just gluing all the ornaments in a unified area to, yeah. All right. All right, I'll come back with the final product of everything, but make sure you use a lot of hot glue. If you want to use E6000 glue, you can. I generally don't use E6000 glue on pieces like this because I normally like to change up my pieces every year. My decor changes as the years changes, so I don't keep the same thing all the time. So if you want to do E6000, you can, but if you don't, just make sure you use a whole lot of hot glue. I'll be back with the finished product. All right, I'm finally finished, everyone. This is the finished product. It looks so much better in person. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna let you all see how it looks on my around my door itself. And I did a quick add-on. I added on some of these frosted berries, the large ones from Dollar Tree. I just felt like that would give it an extra touch of snow and Christmassy. And I'm going to give you that final view. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for the final look. All right. This is the garland at top of the door. It looks really good. It's very, very early in the morning. So it may look a little like just a little darker than usual, but I'm gonna step down so you can see my front door area. Yes, and as you can see, you'll see that beautiful wreath in the center of my door. This wreath was created and made by C. Bella Marie. C. Bella Marie is all things beautiful, all things creative. She does door wreaths. She does wood carvings and cutout for your homes and for your yards or anything home decor. She is so blessed, has gifted hands. I'm going to link her Facebook in my description box. C. Bella Marie. C. Bella Marie is beautiful home decor. This was made by her. Feel free to check out her Facebook page. Be bold, be beautiful, be C. Bella Marie. Yes, and I'm going to have everything linked in my description. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.